Yes, so 4th November 2021 will have the analysis of some important articles. You can see directly mains related and prelims related articles are mentioned. First of all, we'll try to know about these articles in brief. We'll try to relate to our syllabus. You can see the first article, why India should lead South Asia as a region in climate change action. Now, very good article, and a new unique point is mentioned here that India should have led South Asia as a region in the climate talks at COP26. That would have, let's say, increased the impact of India's voice. ठीक है, तो वो सारे चीज़ें यहाँ पे डिस्कस हुई है. We have to understand them. GS2 paper IR section, international relations. Then prospects and challenges of 5G टेक्नोलॉजी. हर बार ऐसा एक आर्टिकल आ जाता है जिसमें बेसिक्स जो होते हैं वो डिस्कस हो जाते हैं. We know that 5G technology is very relevant to our examination. GS2 paper, it is relevant to, GS3 paper, it is relevant to science and tech also, as well as economy also. See, 5G technology is related to economic growth also, or infrastructure also, right? So anyway, we have to cover that. Then third, issues faced by under trials after getting bail. This was in news. Why? The son of Shah Rukh Khan.
Regarding to NCB.
Yes. So again, there is delay in the release from the jail. ठीक है, डिस्पाइट ऑफ गेटिंग बेल. सो ये जो डिले होता है किस रीजन से होता है? दोज रीजंस आर मेंशन इन दैट आर्टिकल. That is important for our examination.
Don't feel they are not getting a proper evidence to regarding that particular person. So they got material, but they have no evidence to belonging of that person. Material.
No, see, there are issues related to personal bond or the bond by any relative, a surety bond we call it as, or let's say verification of addresses. All these issues are there. Also, these jail authorities ask for physical copy, printout of that bill.
Hard copies they need.
Yes, many things are there. We'll talk about that. GS2 paper, polity and governance, how it affects the human rights and fundamental rights of the people also. Then Prime Minister calls for door-to-door vaccination. So Har Ghar Dastak, he has given this new motto to the medical, let's say, those people working in the hospitals or medical facilities, as well as part of administration, district administration. Those districts which have been lower, let's say, vaccination, as well as the second dose, many people are missing the second dose. No, in some of the districts that is more than 50%. So those districts, the district collectors, the Prime Minister had interaction with them, and he had given the motto of door-to-door vaccination. We will try to know that. Then US puts Israeli maker of Pegasus spyware on blacklist. So NSO company. So this is very significant move. US has taken this move. This is very important. Already in India, the Pegasus issue is burning issue. Recently, Supreme Court verdict, the order and the formation of committee, all these things we had discussed. Article talks about zero-click attack. So what is this zero-click attack, cyber attack or spyware attack? That can be asked in prelims examination, right? Now, Covaxin gets WHO's emergency use not. Okay, so this is good thing. New development happened. Already India's other vaccine, that is कौन सा है दूसरा? Covishield, that has got, let's say, approval of WHO. Now this is indigenously developed. This first such indigenously developed vaccine that has got approval of WHO.
Vaccine up to now only for emergency uses only.
Yes,
not
yes.
for other permanent uses.
Sub emergency. Otherwise, what will happen is, if it is allowed for large scale without having substantial data, no. अभी क्या है? Why we are giving emergency use approval? Because at present there is emergency situation. If we are having sufficient data that is analyzed, then peer reviewed, and then only it will be given the final nod. Okay. Yes. So first article, batting for one South Asia makes more sense. So this is a unique article. See, the article talks about that India is giving its commitments, updated its NDCs as Panchamrut and all these things happened. However, the writer is saying that India should have led the South Asia as a region, and there should be some particular initiative in this particular region, South Asia region, for climate change action. ठीक है, every region has their own climate change plan or something like that, but in South Asia there is no such initiative. So we know about that these initiatives. This IRIS was recently launched, no, specifically for small island countries, infrastructure development small island countries. This is part of the CDRI, Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. So all these initiatives led by India at world stage, they are appreciated all over. However, why there is no South Asian initiative on climate change? The reasons are quite clear. First, the problem is yes. So the conflict between India and Pakistan, this has impacted the working of SAARC. Since 2014, there is no summit of SAARC, and because of the conflict between India and Pakistan. And we know that this has to some extent affected the regional cooperation. Along with that, you can say, let's say the BIMSTEC countries, they are not expediting their charter, they are not expediting adopting the charter. Then you can talk about the concerns that BBIN countries are having, Bhutan, Bangladesh, India, Nepal. There was motor vehicle agreement, are you aware about this? Common motor vehicle agreement between these BBIN, but this was stalled by Bhutan over pollution issues. Over pollution issues, this was stalled.
Sir, can you shortly brief about this motor vehicle agreement?
Yes, motor vehicle agreement was related to the transport and logistic among these countries. We know that Bhutan and Nepal, they are landlocked countries, and who has to ensure the connectivity to the ports, ocean, there was this agreement, ठीक है, logistics के लिए, transport के लिए, and that's why there was this. But we know that Bhutan is very much concerned about its, what you can say, environment, right? So we know about its happiness is very much dependent on the environment. Also tourism activities and all, this is major source of revenue for Bhutan.
They are not going to be industrial sites.
Yes.
They are going to be only environmental development sites.
So obviously because of that, and this will result into environment pollution, vehicular emissions. So because of that, they are opposing this. Fine. So these reasons, because of these reasons, there is very lower regional integration. Use such word in your answer. South Asia is the least regionally integrated region in the world. Despite of having common history, common geography, or we can say to some extent everything, ethnicity and a majority of this, there are religious links also, no? Social economic aspects, so all these are common things are there. सारा कुछ same है, फिर भी regionally it is least integrated. When I say regionally least integrated means economically.
They have one individuality development.
Yes. Yes. What's your doubt?
So that's why we've got neighborhood first policy because of this.
We wanted to, let's say, have good relations or promote good relations, and that's why the present government started neighborhood policy in 2014 itself when it came to power. But it is not, it has not materialized what we expected. तो हमने neighborhood के beyond जाके शुरू किया है ना? Right now the focus is beyond, है ना? So look west is there, or act east is there, and then after that now the focus has gone beyond that. ठीक है, US, Canada और European countries, Australia, Japan, इन पे ज़्यादा focus हो गया है. And again the focus is coming back Central Asia, Afghanistan की वजह से Iran and all these things are there. Okay, fine. So you should be aware about the reasons here. Now, why there is need of such initiative? First and foremost, let's say common geography. What is common geography? Like all these countries are sheltered by Himalayas, source of rivers, glaciers, melting of glaciers, the rivers are fed by these glaciers. Also, now we should understand that the second aspect is that whatever the impact of climate change will happen, that impact will be severe on South Asia as a region. As a countries, we know that how the climate change, let's say vulnerability or risk index, this has said that India and Afghanistan are among the top 10. Okay, so as a region also South Asia is the worst affected, right? Then it is being said that, let's say, there will be many such climate refugees from this region, climate migrants or climate refugees, because of climate change led events. ठीक है, so you should be aware about these ones. And because of this, we need to have such kind of regional initiative, right? Now after that, how India is, let's say, or can lead such initiative. We know that India shares the boundary with all these countries, and geographically it is largest in the region. Economically it is also largest. So it can help to give the holistic solutions in the matters like accessing funding, tapping latest climate adaptation technology, and finding cross-border markets for renewable energy networks. We know that we had launched this one sun, one solar, one grid initiative, no? One world, one sun, one grid initiative. And for that initiative, we know that this South Asia region as a region is very much important. You tell me how it can be integrated for renewable energy. Which areas? Nepal and Bhutan, hydroelectricity. High potential is there. Then
in South India coastal is going to be solar energy is going to be giving us.
okay, so whatever the tropical countries are there, no, so island countries is there, Maldives is there, part of. Then we have Sri Lanka. Then our India's peninsular region is also there.
Tamil Nadu and Andhra, most wind and solar power heavy.
Wind, coastal area, talk about the offshore plants, wind energy, right? So you give such examples. Whenever, let's say, we talk about integration, simply do not write the general statements in your answers, okay?
Mostly North India having the mostly hydel power plants, sir. South India having the solar and wind power plants, sir, due to the heavy sunny area. Sir.
Yes. Tropical areas, tropical countries, there the sunshine is there throughout the year.
Yes, sir.
When we go to temperate area, then during winter there will not be sunlight. Then what is the use? Obviously, this is the reason. Why coastal areas wind energy? Obstruction is not there. Obviously, there will be continuous wind movement, and that's why. Okay, so now you have understood that there will be some kind of integration, cross-border markets for renewable energy networks. And yes, already the work is going on. If you are not aware, India, Nepal cooperates in hydroelectricity. India, Bhutan also cooperates in hydroelectricity, and it is good for development of our northeastern states. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, आप इस बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. Now what kind of question we can expect here? See, when the New Delhi or India speaks of need for climate justice, global funding and climate adaptation technology transfer, India's voice would only be strengthened multiple times if it speaks for South Asia as a whole. ऐसा statement आप खुद भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट भी.
We have a unique authority in our land. We will get a more voice in international.
Yes, India is appreciated for its efforts, no, in climate change. पहला स्टेटमेंट वही बोला है हमने. इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस, CDRI इज देयर। तो वो एक सॉफ्ट टच है, सॉफ्ट पावर जो हम बोलते हैं वो यूज हो जाएगा, बाकी कंट्रीज को भी हेल्प हो जाएगा, राइट। सो यस, analyze the need and challenges involved in the regional cooperation on the issue of climate change in South Asia। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है एंड वी नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड। फाइंड सी दीज टॉपिक्स एक्चुअली प्रोवाइड्स यू द फॉर्डर फॉर एग्जामिनेशन। ठीक है, एग्जाम में ऐसे ही कुछ क्वेश्चन आता है जो मेन स्ट्रीम में नहीं होता है, मेन स्ट्रीम डिस्कशन में, द आइडिया दैट इज नॉट डिस्कस्ड in the mainstream media.
So can we rate as environmental development as well as technology exchange as well as the economic development? Can we these three topics can we rate something?
Yes, you talk about the funding that India can access, है ना, at subsidized rate from these multilateral banks and all this or developed countries. तो वहाँ से आप बात करो। टेक्नोलॉजी, इंडिया इज ऑलरेडी कोऑपरेटिंग विद मेनी ऑफ द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज एज वेल एज US in terms of renewable energy and other such technologies, adaptation technology. So these countries are going to benefit if India is leading such regional initiative. तो ऐसा इंडिया ने करना चाहिए था, ठीक है, ओके, यस। नाउ मूविंग ऑन, India's 5G leap is about powering tomorrow. Yes, so 5G technology, 5th generation. Up till now we know that 4G has created a huge digital revolution in India. So from 3G to 4G we have experienced the kind of revolution. Not only in terms of providing the faster connectivity, internet connectivity, rather we have to understand the significance from economic growth and development. It has completely changed the standard of life of people. Okay, and the writer is saying that 5th generation is further going to increase that levels. Okay, in this manner we should understand 5G will shape the industrial 4.0. What is that? 4th industrial revolution. Quality of service delivery and innovation. Right, so obviously we have to understand some application areas first. What are the application areas of 5G? We know about that. Quickly we'll have a review. Enhanced outdoor and indoor broadband connectivity, Internet of Things, smart cities, smart agriculture, then energy monitoring, remote monitoring, smart grids will be there, telehealth and teleeducation, industrial automation, remote patient monitoring, industrial automation. Basically ये सारी चीज़ें जो है in each and every sector, be it economic or social sector, 5G is going to find its benefits or application. Here you can add, in addition to this, governance. Very important, no? Digital technology, administration. So the good responsive governance can be there when there are enhanced internet speeds.
Sir, can we rate as a drawback on this topic, sir? Present we are depending more and more in coal power plants, sir. It may have last 1 month onwards we are facing problem. The same in future we are depending in more network systems. It may give a sudden trouble now, sir, in future. So what is the alternative for that?
But we know that thermal power plants and that coal use is not sustainable, no? That is going to exhaust.
In this sector, we have alternative solar and wind power plants, sir. Apart of this.
But is it unsustainable? You tell me. 5G technology or how we are using this? What is the source?
Main thing internet, sir.
No. What is the source? 5G technology, इसका main source क्या है? How we are using this? All these technologies are based on the satellites.
Satellites and communications.
Those broadbands, or we talk about the satellite bands are there, no? Communication bands. So they are actually the sustainable source, no? They can be replaced in future, no? उनका एक बार यूज हो गया तो अगली बार हम सैटेलाइट फिर से लॉन्च कर सकते हैं ना, So it is sustainable source. Coal is not sustainable, and also it is polluting. Coal is exhaustible, है ना? और कोल जो है polluting activities करता है. So this is sustainable, no? So why do we need to look at the alternative? The only problem is that the equitable access to this technology.
Actually, basics I am thinking. Depending on single way, it may give us sudden problems in future.
So you are saying that the monopoly should not be there.
Monopoly is very dangerous to anyone.
See, basically this is controlled and governed. Any technology that should be governed. This is major aspect. Technology inherently it is immoral. It is not, let's say, having any ethical and unethical aspect. Rather, those who are using it, that may create the problem, no? तो हमें देखना है कि जो यूज कर रहे हैं वो अनएथिकल यूज, लेट्स से
Iraq has been got the same problem. So somebody has hacked over the gas power plants and petrol power plants.
हाँ, ये मेजर कंसर्न है ना. तो साइबर सिक्योरिटी होना चाहिए, क्रिटिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए, वो हम बोल सकते हैं. Rather, it is benefiting to the common people, also weaker sections of society. It is empowering thing. ये हमें ध्यान रखना है. Technology, it is empowering. How to use it, it depends on us. ठीक है ना? Yes. Okay. Now, what are the challenges? The major challenge we have to understand is telecom sector. So 5G technology will be spearheaded by telecom sector.
Funding and infrastructure problem.
हाँ, so telecom sector is already facing the problem of
Funding and infrastructure.
recently it was in news, adjusted gross revenue, AGR issue. So there were around 14 to 15 such telecom companies 10 years back when there was, the liberalization of telecom sector. The auction was there, 2G spectrum, 3G spectrum. So ये सारी चीजें होने के बाद the telecom sector was one of the leading in the world. However, later on, because of these AGR issues and the loss of economies of scale and merger of many of these companies together, that had resulted into now almost duopoly. दो ही तो मेजर कंपनीज है, एक ने तो पूरा रिवोल्यूशन लाया, जियो कंपनी, and the other is Airtel. So Vodafone and that BSNL is not in competition itself. ठीक है, तो ये मेजर प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स है and they are also facing the problem of, let's say, lack of revenue. So how it will be able to invest further in 5G technology, 5G infrastructure? This is the major concern.
Sir, if we already existing laws, if we are going to be advanced, we are also getting as a loss now, sir.
No.
As per revenue records, program hasn't said now, sir. If we are already lost one sector, if we go for any extension, it may give again loss now, sir.
It may increase the revenue, no, in future. May increase 5G technology, if it is implemented effectively, it may increase the economic activity. Further, it may increase the revenue for these companies. ऐसा नहीं है, हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है, we have to understand whatever the mistakes we have done during the rollout of 4G technology, वो नहीं होना चाहिए, ये ध्यान रखना है. So yes, investment will be the problem, and for that purpose the government needs to assist this sector now, both central and state government. So as a way forward, we can understand, in way forward we have to identify the users and the city in which the 5G rollout can be done initially. हमें देखना है ना कहाँ पे ज़रूरत है 5G की, पहले वहाँ पे देना चाहिए. Slowly it will be, we can say, a trickle down effect, other cities में भी जाएगा.
Sir, how much we are going to be investing, that much of output, whether we have not a need identify.
Yes.
Otherwise it's a waste of things.
Yes, and that's why we have to identify the areas, no?
Especially defense and ISRO sector, they need machine shaping.
We know that some of the, let's say, IT cities,
Like this.
they will require on the larger scale. So metro cities, they will require for the domestic use also, common use, retail use, like IIS Coaching Institute, they are using 5G technology now. है ना, ब्रॉडबैंड हायर स्पीड पे चाहिए ना, नाउ वी शिफ्टेड टू ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन। तो हाई क्वालिटी स्ट्रीमिंग कब होगा, लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग जो हो रहा है यूट्यूब पे कब होगा, when we have faster speeds. So these end users we have to identify them and then we have to roll out. Then second you talk about government support in terms of, let's say, government can roll out PPP model or some investment funds specifically for telecom sector should be there. The government can also support in terms of, let's say, reducing the externalities, reducing the taxes on these broadband services, service providers. ठीक है, जैसे कि क्या होता है ना कि ब्रॉडबैंड जो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स होते हैं सिटीज में, दे हैव टू लेट्स से हैंग दैट मॉडेम्स ऑन पोल्स, वो पोल्स यूज करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पोल्स।
Yes, sir. Alternatively, they got a tender from the electricity department.
हाँ।
Simultaneously using.
तो जो है नॉमिनल फीस जो है लोकल गवर्नमेंट चार्ज करता है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट या लोकल गवर्नमेंट फॉर दैट पर्पस, तो वो चार्जेस ऑप्टिमम होने चाहिए।
It will reduce their further infrastructure, new infrastructure. It may decrease.
Yes, their expenditure will reduce, that will help for more investment. तो इनिशियली ये सारी चीज़ें देखनी चाहिए गवर्नमेंट ने। सो बेसिकली देयर शुड बी प्लानिंग, अप्रोप्रिएट प्लान शुड बी इन प्लेस एंड देन इट शुड बी रोल्ड आउट, है ना। सो इन दिस मैनर यू शुड प्रोवाइड द वे फॉरवर्ड ऑल्सो। नाउ यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड देयर विल बी वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन। 5G टेक्नोलॉजी ऐसे कोई क्वेश्चन होता है ना तो स्ट्रेट लाइन पे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, 5G टेक्नोलॉजी, nuclear technology. Have you seen the previous year questions? They ask a very simple question, straightforward question. You should be aware about the applications of 5G technology. First part of the question can be there. Second part, challenges, way forward. Simply prepare one page note about 5G technology. Now, despite bail, it's a long road out of jail for many. So the context is not only Aryan Khan case, but also in last 1 year many such cases have come forward where the people who got bail but they were not released from the jail for days and months.
ED class has been discussed now, sir. Through online copy also you need to release that person when we got the order.
Yes. So basically online copies are also there, the bail order that should be uploaded on the website also, then only these jail authorities release and all these things are there. We'll talk about that. Last year there was one case related to some students activist involved in the Delhi riots case. ठीक है, तो दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट had given bail but after that also, after 2 days also they were not released from this jail. And Delhi government, Delhi High Court immediately intervened and asked jail authorities to release them immediately. ठीक है, so that was also in news. So there can be question in GS2 paper. Basics you should be aware what is the standard procedure followed. ठीक है, what is standard procedure? After an accused is granted bail, the bail bond is imposed where a local surety. Who gives local surety?
Those are relatives or their friends.
Relatives, friends who can assure that the person will not break the bail.
Proper evidence of address.
है ना, जैसे आर्यन खान में जूही चावला ने दिया था ना, वो फोटो दिखाया था ना, आया था न्यूज में, 1 लाख का श्योरिटी बॉन्ड दिया था जूही चावला ने। ठीक है, एंड आफ्टर दैट ही वाज रिलीज्ड. ओके, अ रिलेटिव और अ फ्रेंड ऑफ द अंडर ट्रायल अरेंजेस द अमाउंट, be it in the form of property document, vehicle papers or through fixed deposit receipt.
Sir, how much has to be the amount?
It is variable,
Depends on the case.
depends on the severity of the crime
It may change. Yes.
or allegations. ठीक है, तो उसके हिसाब से चेंज होता है. If the accused violates the bail conditions, the submitted amount or collateral will be seized respectively. ठीक है, जैसे कि बेल में या जो बेल दी जाती है उसमें बोला जाता है कि आप सिटी छोड़ के जा नहीं सकते हो इतने टाइम के लिए, और इट कैन बी लेट्स से द प्रोविजन दैट एवरी वीक यू हैव टू रिपोर्ट द पुलिस स्टेशन.
Within the region, in present, they need to have some conditions.
हाँ कंडीशंस फॉलो करनी पड़ती है। जैसे आर्यन खान में अब उनको बोला गया है कि हर वीक आपको एनसीबी ऑफिस आना पड़ेगा, रिपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा।
Even local police station near of that house also they need to inspect
Report.
every day, sir.
यस, ठीक है। सो these are the condition. If they are not followed, the amount is seized. The local surety is generally combined with submission of personal bond also, where an under trial signs an affidavit of a particular amount which needs to be deposited if he or she breaches bail conditions. ठीक है। So local surety and personal bond together, this constitutes the bail bond, or this amount we can say. Now what are the issues faced by the under trials? Arranging local surety, a condition imposed by majority of courts while granting bail, has used to be major concern. Now suppose there is migrant labor. Now, who knows? The local people does not know about the migrant labor. So how he will be able to provide the local surety? ये मेजर कंसर्न है। या फिर पुअर पीपल है समझो, तो पुअर पीपल को सपोज 50,000 का बॉन्ड देना है, हाउ दैट पर्सन विल बी, और द रिलेटिव्स ऑफ दैट पर्सन विल बी एबल टू इमीडिएटली अरेंज दैट मच अमाउंट। ठीक है, तो ऐसे कुछ केस स्टडीज वो आर्टिकल में मेंशन किए हुए हैं। दे इट विल टेक सम अमाउंट एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट विल हैपन, देयर विल बी डिले इन द रिलीज ऑफ दैट पर्सन, जब तक वो अरेंज नहीं करते। ठीक है, वो आर्टिकल में एक केस लिखा है, एक यूथ को अरेस्ट किया हुआ है और उसको बेल मिली है, तो उसके बाद में 50,000 अमाउंट कब पे, एंड द फादर इज रिक्शा ड्राइवर। ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियसली इमीडिएटली उनके पास इतना अमाउंट नहीं है, सो द फादर और द रिलेटिव्स दे आर आस्किंग टू टेक दिस रिक्शा इन प्लेस एज अ श्योरिटी, बट वो कोर्ट ने डिनाई कर दिया कि रिक्शा भी नहीं लेना है हमें। They can take the property or vehicle papers or all these things are there, no?
So for avoiding of the problem, is there any chance to those are getting 10,000 monthly salary, sir? They will not able to pay more than 10,000. Is there any chance to put only 20% of their salary at 1 month to releasing of that person?
What salary you are saying? If the person is a daily wage worker?
They monthly, sir. Daily wage they will get 300, sir.
No, this is not fixed. Try to understand. The problem is of those people who do not have fixed income.
But they are not able to pay 50,000, 60,000.
Because of this only, no?
To avoiding of that problem, whatever the monthly they are getting minimum 10,000, they need to pay 2,000. They are ready to releasing of that condition is there, no, sir? Is
So-
there any condition?
See, again there will be problem of follow up. ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ें जो है वो, that's why the courts try to maintain the common standard, and that is creating problem for poor people.
No, sir. Common strategy. If you fix a percentage of their basic income, it will not affect to anything, no, sir.
Who is deciding fixed income? ठीक है, कौन बताएगा? उनके क्या कोई सैलरी सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है या कुछ है? नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ठीक है, basically those who are working in unorganized sector, no, they do not have any kind of government data. ठीक है, जो उनका डेटा कुछ होता नहीं है उनके पास, क्या है इनकम और कुछ नहीं। So that's why they do not have the resources. Issues arise during the address verification. The person resides in other part of the country, other part of the state. This becomes the problem. Verification delay. ठीक है, वेरिफिकेशन में डिले होता है। और when there is error in the release warrant, कुछ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक होता है या कुछ होता है, तो वो फिर से वारंट मांगते हैं। ठीक है, वो जो डेटा वेरिफिकेशन करते हैं। तो बेसिकली ब्यूरोक्रेटिक डिले हैपेंस देयर। While proper legal presentation speeds up the process, those who cannot afford such assistance continue to languish in the jail for months. यानी कि legal aid. Obviously the poor people will not have the legal assistance, and that's why the जो language होती है ना, ये legal procedures होता है, समझ में नहीं आता है। ठीक है,
Even graduate people also they are not able to understand. So they
technical language is there completely. ठीक है, and that's why the DPSP of Constitution provides for legal aid to poor people. कौन सा article है?
So, Lok Adalat is recently they released open courts on local area, no, sir.
Lok Adalat, it finds inspiration from which article of Indian Constitution? Free aid legal aid to poor people.
Yes, sir. Everything they will provide up to
Yes,
the end
yes.
of the closing of the case, sir. Either compromising or either any proceeding.
Yes, yes, but yes, this provision is enacted from which part of DPSP? You find out that. Tomorrow I will try to know about this. ठीक है, ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं बहुत ही, और ये यूपीएससी में पूछी जाती है.
It is a major advantage to lower the section of the people, sir.
Yes, basically it is for welfare of the common people.
And also
चीज़
it
जो
will give the awareness of law department.
NALSA Act was enacted from this. Lok Adalat and all these things are basically finding inspiration from that provision. Okay, impact on human rights and fundamental rights. You tell me which human right is affected here, which fundamental right is affected.
So that is Article 39
Article 39.
of DPS.
39 or 39A?
39A.
Yes. Article 39A later on added in the constitution. Okay, originally it was not there.
Free and legal aid.
Yes, free legal aid to the poor people. Yes. So which human right is affected?
Right to life.
Yes, simply we can write right to dignified life. Okay, so the person has got bail and he should be released. ठीक है, उसको प्रोसीजरल डिले की वजह से आप कैसे जेल में रख सकते हैं? दिस इज इनह्यूमन. ओके, एंड फंडामेंटल राइट्स. आर्टिकल 20 टॉक्स अबाउट द राइट्स ऑफ कन्विक्टेड पीपल एज वेल एज दोज अंडर ट्रायल्स. सो वो भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो वो है आर्टिकल 21 राइट टू लाइफ विद डिग्निटी, दैट ऑल्सो टॉक्स अबाउट दिस. ऑल्सो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड, ये जो सारा जिनको लीगल एड है उनके पास नहीं है, मतलब वो जल्दी छूट रहे हैं. जिनके पास लीगल एड नहीं है वो बाद में छूट रहे हैं. तो दैट मीन्स देर इज सम काइंड ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी, है ना. सो बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस, लैक ऑफ नॉलेज, लैक ऑफ लेट्स से इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्सेस, देर इज सम काइंड ऑफ अनइक्वल एक्सेस टू द जस्टिस, है ना. तो ये सारी चीजें आप बोल सकते हैं. What reforms are required for the verification? The trial court should follow a strict timeline. There should be some fixed timeline, and there is no fixed timeline at present. Okay, so verification by the police, verification by the courts, this should be done in a fixed timeline. Recently this was in news because of the kind of reform measures taken by the Supreme Court. ये हमने cover किया था सितंबर में. Supreme Court in September 2021 gave go ahead to implement the system called FASTER.
Yes, sir. Online orders.
The full form is Fast and Secure Transmission of Electronic Records, which would allow transmission of e-copies or court orders through an electronic channel to jail authorities. तो वो physical print मांगेंगे नहीं. So CGI during this, you know, one of the case he was saying that जैसे हम देखते हैं कि कंप्यूटर के ज़माने में या सोशल मीडिया और इसके ज़माने में हम अभी भी कबूतर का यूज़ करते हैं मैसेज ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए.
Even if we put it like that in online, sir, they will expose to over social media, sir, that orders.
No, this order specifically on particular platform, portal, ठीक है, और that will be accessed by jail authorities. So immediately release हो जाना चाहिए. तो ये जब होगा तो one of the reform measure taken by the judiciary. Judicial reform is part of GS2 paper. ठीक है, you should be aware that justice delayed is justice denied. This principle is part of natural justice system. तो वो आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. PM calls for door-to-door vaccination. Actually, he was interacting with those district collectors, district authorities, where there is lower vaccination rate, as well as the second dose, the people are missing second dose in large scale. So as to ensure more vaccination coverage, he has called for micro strategies, and for that purpose he also called for door-to-door vaccination. तो आप देख सकते हैं हर घर टीका, घर घर टीका, वैक्सीन एट एवरी डोर स्टेप.
Already it is in a normal system, sir. Already polio is going to be same for platform, sir.
हाँ,
Sunday they will.
धीरे धीरे आपको पता होना चाहिए 1-2 साल बाद पोलियो की तरह ही इसको भी घर पे जाके देंगे,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Very same system is in
हाँ,
polio, sir.
एट प्रेजेंट एक्चुअली द सप्लाई इज लो, दैट्स वाई ये प्रॉब्लम है। अदरवाइज अगले साल तक ये बच्चा पैदा हो गया कि उसको पोलियो के साथ में ये भी देंगे, ठीक है? सो हर घर दस्तक। नाउ दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ यू नो द वैक्सीनेशन पॉलिसी, वैक्सीनेशन स्ट्रैटेजी। सपोज देर इज क्वेश्चन अबाउट लेट्स से देर इज केस स्टडी इन एथिक्स, सपोज द लोअर वैक्सीनेशन इन योर डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द वैक्सीनेशन पर और अथॉरिटी, हाउ विल यू इंक्रीज द वैक्सीनेशन रेट? तो आप ये लिखिए ना, माइक्रो स्ट्रैटेजीज, हर घर दस्तक, गवर्नमेंट का ही है खुद का, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने बोला है तो वही लिखिए आंसर में, राइट? ऑल्सो लेट्स से देयर शुड बी सोशल इन्फ्लुएंस एंड पर्सुएशन स्ट्रैटेजीज। कुछ एक वीडियो वायरल हुआ था जिसमें मेडिकल जो स्टाफ होता है वो हर घर पे जाके वैक्सीनेशन के लिए प्रमोट करने के लिए, द पीपल आर लाइक, एक पर्सन जो है वो वीडियो में बोलता है कि आप हमें गारंटी दो कि मैं वैक्सीन लेने के बाद मुझे कोविड नहीं होगा। ही इज आर्ग्यूइंग विद मेडिकल स्टाफ।
It is every local state is going to be getting that, sir. But after they put reset without vaccine certificate, you can't be able to travel anywhere. After then they compromise it, sir.
हाँ, जब तक गवर्नमेंट कुछ स्ट्रिक्ट मेजर्स नहीं लेता है ना, जैसे रेलवे में कंपलसरी वैक्सीनेशन हो, ये सब
going to be arguing without certificate. If you're interested, you can vaccinate. Otherwise, you need to.
तो वो एक अदर वे होता है, ठीक है? एक पर्सुएशन वाला होता है, एक डिटरेंस वाला होता है, ठीक है? स्ट्रिक्ट मेजर्स, सो रिवॉर्ड एंड पनिशमेंट वाला कंसेप्ट होता है उसमें, ठीक है? सो वो सारी चीज़ें आप उसमें लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है? अर्लियर देयर वाज वैक्सीन हेजिटेंसी, now the problem is that one vaccine dose is taken, the problem is second vaccine dose, this is now not being taken. ये सारी चीज़ें आपने लिखनी चाहिए उसमें। Okay, US puts Israeli maker of Pegasus spyware on blacklist. This is NSO company and it is now going to be the part of list of restricted companies by US authorities. What is the significance? When it is under restricted list, that means US other companies cannot have technology tie-ups with this company. This is the significance. Okay, it will be isolated now. Now you should be aware about the background. पता ही होगा आपको, Pegasus जब न्यूज़ में था, right? NSO company, it was engulfed in the controversy over reports of tens of thousands of human rights activists, and these people they were listed as a potential targets of Pegasus software. अब ये जो Pegasus software या spyware जो है, it can enter into the person's mobile phone or any, let's say, laptop, or basically it can enter into the smartphone of the person through physical manner as well as non-touch manner, ठीक है? जैसे कि एक मैलिशियस लिंक भेज दिया, उसको क्लिक कर दिया तो भी आ सकता है, और विदाउट टचिंग और क्लिकिंग ऑल्सो, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ जीरो क्लिक।
Nothing but
without their knowledge,
without any permission,
without permission, without knowledge, it can infect the mobile phone, and after infecting it will be acting as a spying device, allowing the user to read the target's messages, look through their photos, track their location, or even turn on their camera without them knowing. This is dangerous, है ना? So it can be used by the authorities for surveillance purpose, or it can be misused also, ठीक है? So yes, a zero click attack helps spyware like Pegasus to gain control over the device without human interaction or approval. Zero click is able to silently corrupt the targeted device. It was first identified by the researchers at Citizen Lab, a cyber security watchdog in Canada. इससे पहले तो पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर बनाती है कोई कंपनी, और स्टेट्स यूज भी करते हैं, गवर्नमेंट।
Actually, we have a technical two terms, sir. Processor will be able to affect this one, but the microcontroller will not be affect this one, sir.
Okay,
Example.
I am not aware about that.
It is a system, sir.
हाँ हाँ,
CPU is the microprocessor, sir. You can give any software, it will receive and it will operate. But microcontroller, fixed one, it will not take anything.
But what is the function of microcontroller?
Whatever you have the inserted software, only it will work only that much of money. It will not take any.
Inbuilt softwares.
No sir.
Huh.
Inbuilt it, sir.
Yes.
First time only insert. It will not take any new thing. It will
Okay.
not give any new another functions. Only fixed functions. It will not trap any.
So each PC is having both.
Sir,
Microprocessor.
PCs will not using. So only single function that one. Nothing but military defense they will use only.
Okay,
It will not
okay.
be able to trap. Sir.
Okay. So you are saying that.
Microcontroller.
So you can say that the devices that are used like that for voting purpose we use that.
Yes, sir. It will not trap anything.
हाँ, so obviously that is good thing, but बहुत ही technical चीज़ है, ठीक है, so we'll not go into details of that. Simply zero click is without human intervention. Remember that UPSC will not go into that much detail. I believe that हो रहा है आजकल पता नहीं UPSC कुछ भी पूछ रहा है prelims में, but still we will limit our preparation to certain level, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें भी करनी है. Now you should be aware कि ये कहाँ से आया है और how the companies like what you can say Microsoft, they are also finding out the weaknesses in their mobile phones और उन्होंने वो accept भी किया है. जैसे कि the following the initial concern over Pegasus, subsequent wave of worries emerged when iPhone maker Apple released a fix in September month for weakness that can let the spyware infect devices without users even clicking the malicious messages or link. उनके फ़ोन में एप्पल में भी वीकनेस निकला है ये. And the concerns later on raised that Pegasus as well as many such spywares can be there or may be there. एक सिर्फ Pegasus तो बाहर आया है, बाकी बहुत सारे ऐसे हो सकते हैं. And let me tell you that Israel is such a country which is having such many companies located in that country only, जो ये सारे स्पाईवेयर्स बनाती है. ठीक है, इस टेक्नोलॉजी में इजराइल बहुत आगे है एक्चुअली. ठीक है, तो इन फ्यूचर वी मे एक्सपेक्ट सम काइंड ऑफ कंट्रोल ओवर दीज कंपनीज. ठीक है, जैसे अभी यूएस ने जो है इनको रिस्ट्रिक्टेड कंपनीज के लिस्ट में डाला है. एंड इन फ्यूचर we'll see that what Supreme Court will come out with that committee report and what actions will be taken. Covaxin gets WHO's emergency use not. Yes, we were expecting this sometime or later ये होना ही है. India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, granted emergency use listing by WHO on 3rd November 2021. Basics about Covaxin we all know about this. This is whole virion inactivated vaccine against this COVID-19 disease developed in partnership with ICMR and NIV, National Institute of Virology, Pune. The emergency use approval is only given for those above 18 years of age, not to children, not to pregnant women.
But recently they given below 18 years also they give.
In India it is not given. Still the trials,
Vaccine has been released.
Zydus Cadila. Zydus Cadila vaccine is given. Covaxin is not given. Okay? Zydus Cadila 12 to 18 years of age, it is approved. But still it is not administered. अप्रूव किया है हमारी बॉडी ने, अथॉरिटी ने, बट इट इज नॉट एडमिनिस्टर्ड येट. ओके, फाइन. नाउ इमरजेंसी यूज लिस्टिंग इज प्री रिक्विजिट फॉर कोवैक्स इनिशिएटिव इन द वैक्सीन सप्लाई. अब ये अप्रूव कर दिया है ना, सो इंडियाज कोवैक्सिन विल बी एक्सपोर्टेड अंडर कोवैक्स फैसिलिटी. अप टिल नाउ ओनली कोविशील्ड वाज बीइंग. ठीक है, so this is important. Also this will help the other countries to also accept Covaxin. जो इंडिया के जो फॉरेन ट्रैवलर्स हों उनके लिए आसान होगा. फाइन, सो दिस मच इज सफिशिएंट. द डेटा अबाउट इट्स efficacy results were published in July showing vaccine is about 93% effective in preventing severe COVID-19, roughly 65% effective against infection with Delta variant. So basic information you can. Okay. So very simple. Just many times what happens is those who are preparing for the first time, तो उनके लिए कुछ ट्रिवियल डेटा होता है ना, वो पता ही नहीं होता है. ठीक है. सो जनरल अवेयरनेस वी शुड बी अवेयर. टेक्निकल टर्म्स है ना, जैसे यूपीसी पूछता है कि ब्लू कार्बन क्या है, तो सबको पता होता है, बट जो नया स्टूडेंट होता है ना, जो 3-4 महीने से तैयारी कर रहा है और उसको पता ही नहीं होता है कि क्या है ये, ऐसे टर्म्स पूछता है यूपीएससी, है ना. जो पक्के खिलाड़ी होते हैं जिसको बोलते हैं ना, उनको जरूर पता होता है ये. सो जीरो क्लिक इज रिलेटेड टू साइबर अटैक्स. सो फाइन, स्पाईवेयर अटैक और स्पाईवेयर अटैक. फाइन, ओके, यस. So these are the important articles. Any doubt you have? Okay, let us stop then. Thank you.